Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we are at Murudeshwar. As you can see, there's a big Shiva temple behind me, and we are heading towards Netrani Adventures. That is, they do snorkeling and scuba diving. So we are doing scuba diving today. So we are 6 of them. So here I'll introduce. This is Dhanush. This is his wife.
Hi.
And
Hi.
please.
Baradesh.
Hello. Okay. And the other guy is there.
That guy.
Craziest part is coming walking.
Oh shit.
Your name, please.
Anish.
Anish.
I'm alive now.
As of now.
Yes.
As of now. So guys, the boat has arrived. As you can see, this is the boat, Netrani Adventures boat, and this temple you can see there are scuba kits there, and to be honest, this is the very first time that we all are experiencing scuba diving. I hope everything goes right, and let's see. All are excited, so let's ask, how excited are you? So guys, how excited are you guys?
Awesome, super.
Super, very nice. So we, the team, are helping the Netrani Adventurers to help keep the equipments on the boat. So we all are team here. Baradanna, Dhanush, Anish, and these other guys. And we are just recording over here. So now the food items have arrived. Bananas that I can see. There are some fresh waters, juices, and few eatable things. Hi. So now we are heading on the boat to go to the island. This is the island where we are going to. So these are the equipments lined up for us.
I see your name light up on my phone, but I don't answer. Cause the second I do, I know that my heart is in danger. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, when you're with me, lose part of me. I still roll the dice, take another slice. But when it comes to you and I, we're sugar crashing. Too many lows between the highs when I'm laughing. It's only cause I'm about to cry. Yeah, I wish I could love myself and love you too. Yeah, I wish I could have my cake and eat it too. Yeah, I got a playlist that makes us sound so romantic. Pretend that it's sweet so I'm not tasting all the tragic. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, so full of nervous energy. I still roll the dice, take another slice. But when it comes to you and I, we're sugar crashing. Too many lows between the highs when I'm laughing. It's only cause I'm about to cry. Yeah, I wish I could love myself and love you too. Yeah, I wish I could have my cake and eat it too. Yeah, I wish I could love myself and love you too. Yeah, I wish I could have my cake and eat it too. I see your name light up on my phone, but I don't answer. Cause the second I do, I know that my heart is in danger. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, when you're with me, lose part of